Chrysler is determined to stay alive, with CEO Chris Fuel confirming plans to introduce a new electric vehicle every year starting in 2025. The brand will survive and is not straying or stepping back from its product plan that includes introducing a new electric vehicle every year starting at the end of 2025. Supported by Stellantis CEO Carlos Tavares, Chrysler is committed to its product strategy. Currently, Chrysler relies on the Pacifica minivan, available as a combustion engine or plug-in hybrid. Despite challenges, the Pacifica remains a leader in its segment, recently winning a Motor Trend comparison against competitors like the Volkswagen ID. Buzz and Honda Odyssey. The 2025 Chrysler Pacifica FAV edition, showcased at the Los Angeles Auto Show, is designed for outdoor adventures. It features a Thule rooftop cargo carrier, black 18-inch wheels, and all-weather mats. Orders are open, with availability in early 2025. Don't expect it to look like the Airflow concept that was first shown in 2022, as things have evolved a lot since then. It will use the STLA Large platform that can accommodate internal combustion engines and hybrids, as well as pure EVs. The production vehicle is not likely to be called Airflow, nor will it revive the 300 name. And Chrysler will not adopt only alphanumeric names. Chrysler's first electric vehicle, a two-row crossover, is set for early 2026. It will use the STLA Large platform, accommodating various powertrains. A new EV will launch annually, including a three-row SUV, expanding Chrysler's electric portfolio. An electric Pacifica will join the lineup, retaining its name due to brand equity. Foyle emphasizes the importance of maintaining Chrysler's identity while evolving with new powertrains, ensuring the brand's relevance in the electric future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up, and share. See you next.